How to get cash in Township. In order to get cash in Township, so there are pretty much normal ways in order to get cash in Township. So first of all, for non-F2P players, you can simply go ahead to the bank and you can purchase them with the real currency. If you're willing to spend your real money, so this is where you can find easily, you can purchase them. Also, in your profile section, if you go to the achievement tab, you'll be rewarded with those cash if you complete such levels or different achievements. So that's how you obtain. And also by upgrading or leveling up in this game will reward you with cash eventually. Also keep an eye on daily bonus, some daily login bonuses, and the House of Lock game can reward cash occasionally. Also, mine and smelting. Mining lets you collect ores and gems. Also, trade for tools rewards that sometimes include cash by smelting as well. So, on mobile, sometimes you will be given with ads and some videos. So, watch those ads, and that will preferably give you some cash. Also keep an eye on those events and competitions. Simply keep on mining those events, keep on grinding those events, and also keep on upgrading your town hall, your barn, and different other monuments. Keep on leveling up, and that's how you're going to be rewarded with cash. Also, that's how you gain cash. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.